Hi, welcome back to the channel. The appearance of an engine light, often accompanied by a downward pointing arrow, on your vehicle's dashboard can be a cause for concern. This warning signal indicates a potential issue with your vehicle's engine or related systems. While it may not immediately signal a catastrophic problem, it's essential to address it promptly to avoid further complications. The engine light with a downward arrow, commonly referred to as the reduced engine power or limp mode light, is designed to alert the driver to a significant reduction in engine performance. This reduction can manifest in various ways, including the vehicle may feel sluggish or unresponsive when you attempt to accelerate. You may be unable to reach or maintain higher speeds. The engine may vibrate or shake excessively when idling. The reasons behind the engine light with a downward arrow can vary widely, but some of the most common culprits include issues such as clogged fuel filters, faulty fuel pumps, or fuel injectors that can restrict fuel flow to the engine, leading to reduced power. Sensors that monitor various engine parameters like airflow, oxygen levels, or engine speed may become faulty, causing the engine control unit to reduce power as a precautionary measure. Problems with spark plugs, ignition coils, or the distributor can prevent the engine from firing properly, resulting in reduced power. Blockages or leaks in the exhaust system can restrict the flow of exhaust gases, affecting engine performance. In some cases, transmission malfunctions can cause the engine to operate in a reduced power mode to protect the transmission. When the engine light with a downward arrow illuminates, it's crucial to have your vehicle inspected by a qualified mechanic. They can use diagnostic tools to identify the specific code or codes being triggered by the ECU. This information will provide valuable clues about the underlying problem. The appropriate solution will depend on the root cause of the issue. If a sensor, fuel pump, ignition coil, or other component is found to be defective, it will need to be replaced. In some cases, cleaning components like fuel injectors or the throttle body can resolve the issue. Leaks or blockages in the exhaust system may need to be repaired or replaced. In certain situations, updating the vehicle's software can address underlying issues and prevent the warning light from recurring. To minimize the risk of future engine light problems, consider the following preventive measures. Adhere to the recommended maintenance schedule for your vehicle, including oil changes, filter replacements, and inspections. Use high-quality fuel from reputable sources to help prevent fuel system problems. Avoid aggressive driving. Excessive acceleration, braking, and high-speed driving can put undue stress on your vehicle's components. Pay attention to any unusual noises, vibrations, or performance changes that might indicate an issue. While the engine light with a downward arrow can be alarming, it's important to remember that it's a warning signal designed to protect your vehicle. By addressing the issue promptly and taking steps to prevent future problems, you can ensure the longevity and reliability of your car. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share, and subscribe to this channel for more informative videos.